battle for control of Libya's central bank has led to banks suspending operations, the value of the country's currency coming under threat, and people unable to reach their cash or transfer money. The Presidential Council in Tripoli ordered the removal of the bank's governor, Sadiq al-Kabir, and appointed a new board of directors.
The new board of directors needs to focus on a few things. First, the Libyan people and the domestic market. Banking operations have been closed for days now. Libyans are suffering because they cannot transfer money or cash. This is a huge challenge for the board of directors.
Al-Kabir says the order is illegal and only Libya's legislative houses have the power to replace him. The instability is raising concerns the Libyan dinar could lose value. With bank transfers halted and threats by warlord Khalifa Haftar to shut down oil production and exports in response to the takeover at the central bank, the price of the dollar on the black market is rising. And people here say the price of goods is increasing.
From the day this problem started, prices are going up. Go to any store or pharmacy even. The price for medicine is higher. Why do people work? They work to get their salaries, to pay for their needs. Now they say the salaries are frozen, and there's now talks that it could be that way for months. How are people going to live?
Muhammad Ali says if he doesn't get paid soon, he won't be able to pay for what his family needs to survive.
The average person is living in precarious times. We have no idea what's happening. One day there's a fuel shortage. One day there's no money in the banks. We work and wait for our salaries. Then we go to the bank and they tell us they have no money.
The fight over control of the central bank has delayed the payment of salaries for public employees for August. More than 2.3 million people work in the public sector and depend on those funds for their livelihood. Libya has Africa's largest oil reserves and should be a prosperous country. But as politicians fight over the country's resources and institutions, it's ordinary people who are suffering. And they can only hope the instability can be overcome so their financial hardship can be eased. Malik, Traina, Al Jazeera, Tripoli.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.